Everyone, I am hoping that you all are doing fine. So lot many CMA students are requesting me to make a video on ACCA course. Okay guys, so if you are a student or you want to know the more about ACCA course, so in this video I will discuss about the each and every aspect related with the ACCA course. So guys, as you know that we have in the past MOU between CMA course and ACCA course, in which we have to pay less amount as comparison to normal. If we enroll into ACCA course, we have to pay, but as you know that already this MOU is expired and our mother institute CMA is working on this to renew it. Whenever this course renew, I will also make a video. But as of now, if CMA student want to take admission, if CMA qualified student or member want to take admission in ACCA course, so in this video I will discuss about each and everything. CMA student can also understand this. First of all, the how many exemptions we can avail after CMA qualification. After CMA qualification, if we want to take admission. So guys, if we are recently qualified CMA, means we do not have membership number, or if we have 3-year experience, or we have associate membership. So guys, as you know that total paper in ACCA course is 13. So guys, if we are a recent qualified CMA, or we are an associate member of CMA institute, so 7 paper we will get exemptions. So only 6 paper we have to give the paper. Only 6 paper we need to give only in ACCA, okay, ACCA course. And if we have a 5-year experience, means we are a fellow member of the CMA institute, so 9 paper we will get the exemption. Hope you understand. Only 4 paper we have to give, okay. If simple, again I am repeating, if you are a recently qualified CMA either, or you have associate membership, so only 7 paper you will get the exemptions, okay. 6 paper you need to give. And if you are a fellow member of the institute, fellow member means you have 5-year total practical experience. So for fellow member, 9 paper you will get exemptions. Only 4 paper you have to give to get the ACCA degree, okay. And how many time in a year the exam will take place, or whether the exam will take place in India or not. So guys, for quarterly the exam will take place, means 4 time in a year the exam will take place, or yes, in India itself you can give the exams, okay. Yes, the online exam paper pattern will be. So yes, from India itself you can give the exam. And now talk about the fee structure. So guys, whenever we get the renewal of MOU, so we have to pay less fees. But as of now, the fee structure is initial registration you have to pay £30. Whenever you are taking the admission, you can calculate the 30 into May. The rate of pound is currently ongoing. And re-registration fees, if you want to take re-registration, so £89 you have to pay, okay. From ACCA website you can also see the same. And annual subscription fees you have to pay £112 pound. You have to pay the annual subscription. And now the exemption fee, if you want to take exemption, so you if you want to take exemption, so you also have to pay exemption fees. For applied skills exams, $111 pound you have to pay, and applied knowledge exam 84 pound you have to pay. And now the important thing, that books or notes, from where you will get the books or notes, from the, you can say that the website, the best website is Kaplan Publishing. From Google, if you write Kaplan Publishing ACCA books, you can easily get. Apart from this, Sterling Book House, from Google itself you can search. These are the, you can say that the best where you can search the books of ACCA, or you can online buy. Notes and free lecture, from where you can download the free notes for ACCA. Or from Open Tuition, you can download the free open, you just Google, you just need to write Open Tuition. You can easily download the handwritten note, free notes or free lectures. And the best coaching you can say that from VG Learning, Vinod Gupta Learning Destination, you can buy the ACCA classes. Apart from this, Finaco Pro you can also buy. So you need to do some research, the fee structure which is convenient for you, for comfortable for you. This is the all about the ACCA course. Hope you understand the all about the ACCA course. My suggestion to you, after qualification, ACCA, CFA, CMA, or CPA or CFA, these are the best one. If you, after completing the CMA, if you want to pursue the foreign courses, ACCA is one of the best, CIMA London is the best, CMA USA, or you can say that CFA or CPA. Many friends are also doing these courses, okay. Apart from this, you guys can also suggest me the next video on which foreign courses I need to make, okay. You need to suggest me topic. I will surely do some research or make video on those particular topic. And still you have any doubt or have any questions, you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about this video. Bye guys.